Welcome to Exam Sale. In this video we will walk through the syllabus for the Cisco Implementing Cisco Contact Center Enterprise Chat and Email Exam, CCECE. This short guide will help you plan study time and focus on the right topics. Overview of the exam structure and domain weights is critical for efficient preparation. Installation and configuration is 25%. Administration is 25%. Integration is 25%. Troubleshooting is 15%. And system and component overview is 10%. Each domain lists difficulty, estimated learning hours, and assessment type so you can balance hands-on practice with conceptual study. Installation and configuration is weighted at 25% and marked as hard, with an estimated learning time of 12 hours and hands-on plus conceptual assessment. You will learn infrastructure setup for single server and distributed deployment models, hardware and virtualization requirements, and Microsoft SQL Server prerequisites including collation settings. The domain also covers software installation across web, application and database tiers, post-installation health checks, SSL certificate management with key stores and trust stores, and preparing the environment for high availability. Administration carries 25% of the exam, is medium difficulty, and has an estimated 10 hours of study with scenario-based assessment. You will learn user and resource management including partitions, departments, agent accounts, skill group mapping, and role-based permissions for console access. The domain also covers designing workflows and business rules for inbound email, chat entry points, automated routing, SLA configuration, knowledge base management, outbound email campaigns, and version control for workflow changes. Integration is 25%, rated hard, with about 14 hours of study and a mix of conceptual and scenario-based assessment. This domain teaches how to connect ECE to unified CCE using media routing peripheral gateways, map ECE queues to precision queues or skill groups, and configure agent request management for task routing. You will also learn agent synchronization, CTI server validation, single sign-on implementation, and how to deploy and troubleshoot ECE gadgets within the Cisco Finesse desktop for a seamless agent experience. Troubleshooting makes up 15% of the exam, is hard, and recommends around 8 hours of focused practice with scenario-based questions. You will practice using the unified logging mechanism for trace collection and learn to analyze application and web server logs to pinpoint service failures. The domain includes diagnosing database connectivity and SQL locking, troubleshooting email retrieval and SMTP relay problems, using the system console for real-time verification, and debugging Finesse gadget and SSO authentication issues. System and component overview is 10%, rated easy, with about 4 hours of study and a mix of conceptual and scenario-based assessment. This section builds a foundational understanding of ECE architecture, identifying web, application and database servers and the role of services and messaging nodes. You will also learn the flow of a chat request from client to agent, the life cycle of an email interaction, key integration points with unified CCE, and how latency affects distributed deployments. To conclude, use the domain weights and estimated hours to create a balanced study plan that includes hands-on labs and scenario practice. Focus first on the 25% domains, then reinforce troubleshooting skills and architecture fundamentals. Good luck with your CCECE preparation and remember to review practical exercises and official Cisco guides as you study.